Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate lip color that not only delivers bold, eye-catching shades, but also treats your lips with some TLC, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Bobbi Brown Luxe Shine Intense Lipstick in the shade #Supernova. This product promises to elevate your lips with amplified shine and full coverage. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. First, let's talk about what makes this lipstick unique. The Bobbi Brown Luxe Shine Intense Lipstick is designed to offer an intense color payoff with a glossy finish that doesn't feel sticky. It's formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and flower extracts, making it not just a beauty booster, but a lip care treat. These ingredients work to hydrate the lips, ensuring they stay soft and smooth throughout the day. Now, let's get into real-world testing. From the moment I swiped this lipstick on, the application was smooth and easy. No tugging, no pulling. The texture is creamy, yet it doesn't feel heavy. You can instantly feel the hydration kick in, which is such a relief, especially with some of the more drying formulas on the market. It glides on beautifully, and the color payoff? Absolutely stunning. Full coverage in just one swipe, giving your lips that voluptuous, ice-plumped-up look without being over the top. I wore this lipstick for a full day to see how it would perform under different conditions, like talking, sipping drinks, and even having a meal. The lipstick held up surprisingly well, with only minimal transfer, which is something to appreciate with a formula that's designed to deliver that glossy shine. What's even better is that I didn't feel the need to reapply it constantly, thanks to the hydrating ingredients that kept my lips feeling comfortable. No cracking or dryness in sight. Let's take a moment to break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the color is intense and the shine is noticeable but not overwhelming. The texture is luxurious and feels like a treatment as much as a cosmetic. It's easy to wear and suitable for long hours of use. Plus, the shade Supernova is this beautiful, rich, bold hue that can easily be dressed up or down, perfect for both day and night. On the flip side, the formula may not be for those who prefer matte finishes. If you're someone who loves a more natural, non-glossy look, the shine may feel a little too much. Also, the price point might be a factor for some. This is definitely a luxury lipstick, so if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives that can give you similar results. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this lipstick is worth it if you're looking for a high-end product that offers both performance and lip care. You're paying for quality ingredients and a formula that delivers hydration along with a rich color payoff. The sleek packaging also adds to that luxury feel, making it a nice treat for your makeup bag. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few brands that offer similar glossy lipsticks. For example, brands like Charlotte Tilbury and Pat McGrath have comparable luxe formulas, though they do come with their own set of unique features and price tags. The build quality is great, no issues with packaging, and the lipstick bullet glides effortlessly out of the case. It feels sturdy and doesn't feel cheap, which is essential for a high-end product. I didn't notice any significant changes in texture or finish as I wore it throughout the day, which speaks to its longevity. As for customer support, I've had good experiences with Bobbi Brown in the past. Their customer service team is known for being responsive and helpful, especially when it comes to product inquiries or returns. Now, as we wrap up, does the Bobbi Brown Luxe Shine Intense Lipstick live up to its claims? Absolutely. It delivers intense color with a glossy finish while keeping your lips hydrated. Is it for everyone? Not necessarily. If you're not a fan of shiny lip colors or have a smaller budget, you may want to consider other options. But for those who love that glossy, full-coverage lip look with a hydrating formula, this product is a winner. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried the Bobbi Brown Luxe Shine Intense Lipstick, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.